I can't stand it.
Yes.
I was alone for the first time in my life for Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Sorry.
sad.
Yeah.
Do you have children?
Yeah, I have two. Yeah, it's a boy and a girl.
How old are they?
10 and 7. Yes. 10 and 7. Yeah.
Go to school?
Yeah, they go to school.
They're able to go to school?
Yeah, but this time they don't go.
No, that's good.
Yeah, they stay home.
They can't even go to school.
Yeah.
So sad.
No school. Yeah, so
I
sad.
have 4 boys.
Okay. No girls.
No,
Okay.
but they're very old. I mean,
I know they are
the
old.
oldest one is 64,
Oh.
and the youngest is 53.
Oh, your son, the oldest, is 64.
I mean,
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
so,
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. You need to relax, man. You need to see your grandchildren.
yeah, I've got 2 little great-granddaughters.
Oh, okay.
So that's why it's fun to go to my granddaughters. I only have one that's married,
Uh-huh.
so and she is 2.
Okay.
So the rest of them, I have 6 grandchildren. But
Oh,
only
yeah.
one is married. So
Yeah.
the rest of them aren't
Yes.
interested, I guess.
Yeah, it is. It
And
is.
they're all like 20,
Your grandkids?
26.
Your grandkids are like 20s?
And they're 20s.
Oh.
Late 20s.
Yeah.
26. 2 are 26, one is 26.
Yes.
And one is 32.
Oh.
The oldest one.
They will take care of you.
No, they don't take
They don't?
No, they don't.
Yeah, I know my grandmother, grandchildren are the one take care of them all the time.
Yeah.
They're the one cook for them. So yes.
Yeah, I took care of 2 granddaughters.
Yeah.
A lot
Yes.
when they were on summer vacations.
Yeah.
But they're all grown up now.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, that's true. So you stay home yourself, or they?
I just live alone
Oh, okay.
in this apartment building for
Oh, that's.
people. For senior citizens, I guess.
Oh, yes, yes. See. Yeah.
But I want to go back to Arizona.
Oh, that's your.
Well, my husband died 30 years ago.
Okay.
So my youngest son and I moved to Arizona for 21 years.
Oh.
And then he got a job transfer to San Antonio, Texas.
Uh huh.
And I moved there, but I just hated it.
Oh, you don't like it, the weather, or
The weather, it was too hot.
too hot? Yes.
So I came back here because I have 3 sons and all my grandchildren.
Yeah, they are here.
Yeah.
All
Now
right.
I'm sick of the winters.
Oh, yeah. The only problem here, it's cold, snow. But you know, this time we don't have much snow.
Not bad.
It's not bad this
So far,
year.
Maybe this year will be easy.
Yeah.
I
But
hope so.
hope it doesn't come next year very, very heavily.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes it may revenge. Say last time, I give you easy time, despite this COVID-19 around, but I give you easy time. So next year, we hope we will be, we will say, oh, it's okay for this.
Nice.
Yes.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Good. Lasting too long.
Yes.
I mean, it just doesn't get better. It's getting worse.
Yeah, it's getting a bit worse, I tell you.
They
Yeah.
shut everything down,
Uh-huh.
and they open it up, and then they have to shut it down.
Yeah. We don't eat outside. We don't enjoy with the family. Yeah, like Sunday, Friday, people used to go out
Right.
and eat, celebrate, you know.
Yeah, but there's no place to go.
There's
now.
no place.
Not one place. Even the Mall of America, you're not allowed to eat
Yeah.
anywhere.
Uh-huh.
You can pick up stuff, but you have to carry carry it out here.
Yeah.
Eat there.
That's
So, I don't know.
yeah, man. This is hard time.
That's very,
It's hard time.
very hard.
Yeah. This is very, very hard time. They
Put up
never.
a Christmas tree.
Yeah. I bought the small one
Okay.
with the lights.
Right.
Yeah, I put the lights in my house.
Oh, good.
So if my kids they like it.
Oh, of course.
If I don't do, they will be blaming on me. They will say we need.
I know I don't see hardly any lights anymore.
Yeah, huh?
This year.
You oh yeah.
People
It's
used to decorate outside.
the house.
Not this year.
Even me, it's not outside. I put it in my house.
Yeah.
I put lights in the house.
Oh, that's good.
So, but not outside. It's too busy now because these things is confusing everyone.
I know.
Yeah.
Just terrible.
Yeah.
You know where I live?
No, it's telling me to turn this side,
It's
right?
that,
Yes.
well, you'll be able to see it turn on Park Avenue.
Yes.
It's that big building right up on your right.
Oh, yes.
So you go to 25th Street
Okay.
and then go over to Portland.
All right.
It's like the door I go in is on this
So the next one.
25th Street. It's
Yes.
right up
25.
right there.
Yeah, this is the one here. Yeah.
I mean, there's no traffic.
Uh-huh.
I can't believe it.
There's too much?
No traffic.
Oh, used to be too much.
I know it. So go up to Portland, and then my driveway is right on this side of the building.
Oh, wait, you got this?
No, see that big gray one
Uh-huh. There.
over there?
Oh, okay.
That one.
So we go here.
Go to Portland.
We go here, right?
Go to Portland. No,
Yeah.
go to Portland.
Go down?
Yes.
Okay, the GPS
Because the
there.
driveway's in the middle of the block.
Oh, okay. Oh, you live up there?
Yeah.
That is tall building. Yeah.
23 floors.
Oh, no.
Yeah, it's big.
You use the elevator, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I walk sometimes.
So,
I'm only on the next.
yeah.
I turn and then you can see the driveway there, right?
Yes.
In front of that white car. Yeah, right here. Oh boy. Ah, right there was the driveway. Well, just let me out here. That's fine. You didn't hit it, right?
Hey,
What happened?
you need to watch where the fuck you driving, my man. Straight up. 'Cause you could have. Hey, let me help you.
What happened?
Hey, man.
What happened?
Bitch.
What happened?
You watch where the fuck you driving next time. You hear me?
Man, I didn't see you.
Nah, next time you watch where the fuck you
Okay,
going.
I see you.
Straight up.
Yeah.
You gonna apologize?
Huh?
Huh?
Man, I hope there's nothing wrong.
Huh?
I've nothing wrong. Okay. See you, man.
I'll get out here.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get out here.
Yeah.
Kid, you almost hit it. Oh,
Yeah. All right. Yeah, get this side. All right. Yeah.